came in, that's how it ain't fish, nigga. See.
I'm getting in my bag, that's a big influence. You reaching for my bag, you can't get to it.
So what we gotta do today is we gotta go in here and I gotta unhook this well water wire. And as you can see, it's running outside on top of the ground. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bury it. Stuff the wire in PVC pipe, and then I'm gonna bury it. Therefore, when we cut the grass, we can just cut right over it. You feel me? Stop playing. Let's see, can I get this thing without getting electrocuted? Okay, what I'm doing is, make sure you get off the main power, because I don't trust to turn this off right here. Even though the dude that came and fixed it, he said, oh, it ain't gonna do nothing but help. I don't trust it. So what I'm gonna do is, this is the well water power right here. So unhook it right here. Unhook it. I did turn off the main breaker and this breaker.
You turn off the whole power in the house.
And over here with this ground wire. Still don't trust it like that, but then I'm gonna snatch it. Out the bottom.
It's not gonna break it.
Snatch it out the bottom like that. And now we got the wire right here. You dig? So let's get to digging this trench. You feel me? I don't know if y'all remember when we chopped all this down. So I moved the well wire out the way. Now I can cut this down, then dig my trench. Then I can cut all that up, because we cut all them trees down right there. And behind the little shed right there, we chopped all the trees down. So we're gonna go on and get started and finish cutting all this down. We're gonna tear this down. We're gonna tear that down. And we got another one. I don't know if y'all can see it. We got another one over there. Y'all see that autumn? It's right there behind it, on the other side of it. So we're gonna try to bring that over here if possible. Hopefully y'all get a chance to see that. You dig? Okay, we coming over here to get some of these pipe that I'm gonna run the line through and try to put the wire up under the ground. Just a little idea I had. We're gonna use that. But that shit right there, this shit right here, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see on the inside. I might zoom in and let y'all see it, but it needs to be pulled down, whatever. But I got a lot of pipe over there on the ground. All this is just unnecessary stuff. But anyway, we grabbing these pipes. We found them and now it's time to utilize them. You dig? Let's get it. Yeah. Got the chilling. They walking. Little man over here struggling. They ready. It's a family job. You feel what I'm saying? I'm just the camera guy. You see what I'm saying? They want to fight with the pole. I tell you, you can't never do nothing right. I tell you, everybody want to play with them. You got it, little man? You got it? Come on then. Go on with it. Watch out for the weed eater. Watch out for the gas. Yeah. Might gonna need more. To tell y'all the truth. Yeah, we definitely got enough. We're going through the trenches, the woods. Who is it? Y'all see what I'm talking about? The shed broke down. It's up there. So these are the pipes though. That was left. So we're gonna. I be kicking them. I kick them because you don't know what might be in front of them. So I kick them. Huh? Y'all grab them, pull them out. Pull them out. Pull them out. Pull them out. Kim, I'm gonna give you some too. Let her take those. Get out that little one.
Here you go.
Huh? Oh, watch yourself. You got your one?
Yeah.
All right, King, huh? Go with them. Go with them. Go with them. Doing is taking the wire, pushing it through PVC pipe. We already did a couple of, we did two on, so we here about to do this, running it through.
Can you go get the other pipe?
Just like so you did. Just like
Go
so.
get the other pipe.
Running it through. Do it. She getting it on that end. She pulling it. We it's pulling. All right, hold right there.
I need
Untangle that.
Yeah.
King, bring me that pole. So y'all see how we laid the pipe down on the ground and we running it. We running it up. So y'all, we'll be back when we finish it, send it up. You dig? Let's get it. Okay, we got it ran all the way to the pole right here. Feel what I'm saying? Why coming out right there? So this is the pipe. You see what I'm saying? We're going all the way down to the where he playing with it. You see what I'm saying? We're going all the way down to the pipe, and we're gonna put tape like on the creases of the pipe. You feel what I'm saying? So we running it all the way down, and we're gonna bury this pipe up under the ground. You see what I'm saying? All the way to the well. Boom. So the reason we doing this is because I had to spend $320 to come and figure out what the hell was wrong with my well, because it stopped working and everything. I didn't know what the hell was going on with it. So I said, instead of just putting the wire in the ground and then the coating of the wire deteriorates and stuff like that, why don't we just put it in a PVC pipe and then put it up under the ground, and hopefully that'll have a better chance for the wire lasting a long time. What I just did, what my family just did, is I'm gonna tell y'all one thing. That's the real definition of how to lay pipe. You stop playing.
Hopefully y'all covering it up will be real easy. I'm just glad there ain't none of that clay dirt, 'cause that's hard to dig, guys. All right, y'all. So far, I'm gonna get the camera. Good, y'all can see it so far how we got it. If you start there. Hole right beside it. We right here gotta move those out of there.
Oh, okay. As y'all can see, we did run into the old wire. They got that sucker pretty deep, and as you can see, it's not in nothing. It's just wide dirt. So we don't do
A lot of roots in there that could have messed it up.
a lot of roots. But as you can see, we don't do the trench all the way. That little had to cut some roots up. My wife went in, rooted it up, uprooted the whole system. You feel me? Yes, sir, ski. So yeah, we going all the way down. We dug the trench all the way down to the well. Right there. All the way up. You see what I'm saying? So, what we about to do, I'm about to lay pipe. Okay. Stop playing. Let's get it. Okay, we got it in there. All the way down. Now. So, the next step is we're gonna rake the dirt back over the pipe. So we can get it in there like that. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to rake the hole back closed, because we do got it in there, and we about to get to it.
I'm getting in my bag, that's a big influence. You reaching for my bag, you can't get to it. Stacking up my money, call it Legos. Living color bills like pesos. Saving all my money like the Migos. Taking care of my family, that's royal. Dripped in gold, can't do fake. My smile so big, no toothache. My family so big, don't do twins. Call on me, you better dial in. My reach ain't low, you know I'm closing in.
That's how we get it, all the way back in the ground. See what I'm saying? Laying pipe for real. All right, make sure y'all hook it back up, get everything. I turned the wire down, and then I hooked it back up. And, right in here. You see what I'm saying? Then I put the ground back over there. And we got it buried. Got it coming out by right there. Got it, you don't even see it no more. That's about 3,000 feet. You feel what I'm saying? About 3,000. You know what I'm saying? About 3,000.
Boy, if you don't get...
I just played, I don't know how many feet it is. Probably about 50 feet. I ain't gonna need to cat with you, but we got it. We took care of the job, and we buried it. Now we can continue to cut our grass when we get high. So you feel me? Make sure y'all do that. Make sure you kill the power before you touch that. That'll shot the shit. Stop playing. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. You know what I'm saying? And share it. You feel? Why you not sharing? Stop playing. You feel? I'm just playing with y'all. Hey, y'all thank y'all for watching our homestead. You feel what I'm saying? And we you say, yeah.
Yeah.
You did.
Being 10 toes got me stepping better. Wait, what I'm drumming getting cold there. Keep my head on swivel like hot weather. Get advance on your life and help you do better. Get a queen on your